We had a guy that came in today. My dad was outside putting the packages for the mailman to come and pick up. And the guy asked my dad for a rubber band. And my dad, being the nice guy that he is, he told him, sure, I'll get you a rubber band. He went inside to get him a rubber band, and I can see the guy on the surveillance monitor here. The guy came closer to the counter. He reached behind trying to find a cash register. We do not have any cash registers on the counter. He could not find any. So he went behind the counter trying to steal something from the products that we have outside. I saw him. I was looking at the guy. I got so pissed off. Let me show you. Look at this loser. Look at this. He's looking, trying to see what he can steal. He's going to reach behind the counter now. Watch this. Look at this. Look at this. He could not find anything. Now he's going behind the counter. And my dad came to give him the rubber band. My dad did not know what was going on. But right now I'm going to get off my bench and confront the guy. I told him, what are you doing? What are you doing? I saw you put your hand behind the counter. We have 3 cameras in the shop here and a big monitor inside. And the guy just left. If it wasn't for the law, I would have taken things into my own hands. I feel bad for the guy that he's wasting his life being a loser, but at the same time I was pissed off. And that is the reason when somebody comes in asking for a rubber band or asking for change or asking if they can charge their phone, I say no. And the person may ask why. Because I do not have to explain why. I do not have to worry about sitting on my bench and looking at the screen every time. What is that guy doing? What is that guy doing? And the guy is going to think that nobody's watching him and he's going to try to pull a fast one. So I do not have to go through this. We tell the person, no, if you want to charge your phone, we can sell you a power bank and then you can charge your phone all you want. But we do not let anybody sit outside for the sake of charging their phone. And that's it. Why? Because